That is the legendary Dragon Bridge. You can see the humps at the top are lit up in color, and there's a dragon head at the end. So it's literally like a dragon that's a bridge. I haven't seen anything like it. And you can see the dragon tail at the end there. The fireworks show is not canceled, according to me asking a local. It just may be delayed because of the fireworks. And now we're getting close up to the bridge, which is one of the best spots to see the fireworks. So we'll see if it's canceled or not. This is the legendary Dragon Bridge. And now we're up close and personal with it. You can see there's this design in the center of the bridge that looks like a dragon. We're at the tail end. We're going to move toward the head. There it is, guys, Dragon Bridge. That is what the head looks like. And people are still waiting here for the fireworks. I think they're canceled, but we'll see. It's way past when they should be launching, like in over an hour and 50 minutes.